Hi, this is Erica from Cooking with Erica, and I'm going to show you how I season my steaks and make my steaks. I get my steaks from Butcher Box. So I put some sea salt and a little bit of pepper. Then I'm gonna flip them. Whoop. They cooperate. And then I like to use, I forgot to get this out before. Who doesn't have this in their fridge? It is ready to use minced garlic. I go through so much, I get the Costco size. So just leave a generous amount. And then I'm going to spread that. And then I love Larry's teriyaki marinade. I like to let it marinate all day. So I found out it takes at least 20 minutes for my gas oven to preheat. So I set my oven to broil. I set the timer for 20 minutes. And let me show you this. So I'm just gonna move the camera for you. So I have it moved to the next rack up. And then once the oven preheats, I'm gonna cook these steaks in a couple of hours after they've been marinating. What I do is I cook them on both, I flip them over, so about 7 to 8 minutes on each side on broil, and that gives you a perfect steak. So there you have it. I will show you what they look like when they're done, and that's how I cook my steaks. This is what the steaks look like marinated. They are going in for, let's say, 7 minutes. Broil is on 500. So let's put this in. Then you flip it over. Whoop. You can flip it over. Then I like to get a spoon. Just spoon some more of the glaze back on. Then put it back in the oven. I would give these another 8 minutes. And once again, you're broiling them. So I'm gonna put that back in and then take them out, and they should be done. I know I have now taken them out. The way you could tell if they are well done, or I cut them in the middle, so I'm gonna